Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you the best AOC monitor settings for gaming. So for the games like Valorant, Fortnite, CS2 and Rainbow Six Siege, or the other games like the Warzone. So what the settings would be is basically I will go to the custom and show you. I'm using, of course, G menu to control my monitor. So if I go to advanced and right here for the gamer 1, what I set is shadow control at 70, game color at 14, you can make 15, and brightness it is 100, contrast 50. For the gamma mode it is 2.2. For overdrive I set to big. You can turn it off if you don't like it. And for the custom one, this mode is usually used by me for watching some videos, films, or etc. So I will show you my custom mode right here, how it looks like and what I changed. So as you can see, shadow control it is at 50, game color 10, brightness 100, contrast 50. For the color temp, I use user RGB, and DCB mode it is completely off, overdrive strong, and gamma 2.2. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.